Now we have our Excellence in Music awardee. No other than we have Mr. Billy Sander Lontayo.
Let's go.
Billy Sander Lontayo is a 12-year-old with extraordinary talent for singing, known for captivating audience with his powerful voice. He has appeared on prominent shows such as The Voice Kids Season 5, where he trained under Martin Rivera and reached the semifinals in Tawag ng Tanghalan Kids on its Showtime. Billy also represented the Philippines on the international stage at the World Champion of Performing Arts in Long Beach, California, bringing home a silver medal. His remarkable achievements at such a young age showcase his dedication, skill, and passion for music. Our Excellence in Music awardee, we have Billy Sander Lontayo. Congratulations. Actually, halos inaanak ko na itong bag.
Wala po ko ibang masasabi kundi the Sangguniang Kabataan of West Rembo is very proud.
Bati sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay West Rembo, sa bubo ng konseho at sa pangunguna ng nag-iisang SK Chairman ng
Sarili, kung hindi para sa barangay at maging sa buong bansa ng Pilipinas. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit silang lahat. SK Council, will you please join our ambassadors